Okay, it's dress up night tonight. It's very dark. There's a moon. It's full. I'm a werewolf. There's a moon over Bourbon Street. So there. There's a moon over Bourbon Street tonight. I see faces as I walk beneath the pale lamplight. I've no choice but to follow that call. The bright lights and the people and the moon and all. I pray every day to be strong, for I know what I do, it must be wrong. Oh, you'll never see my shade or hear the sound of my feet, while there's a moon over Bourbon Street. It was many years ago that I became what I am. I was trapped in this world like an innocent lamb. Now I can never show my face at noon, and you'll only see me walking by the light of the moon. And the brim of my hat hides the eye of the beast. I've the face of a sinner, but the hands of a priest. Oh, you'll never see my shade or hear the sound of my feet, while there's a moon over Bourbon Street. She walks every day down the streets of New Orleans, and she's innocent, she's young, she's from a family of means, and I have stood many times outside her window at night to struggle with my instincts in the pale lamplight. How could I be this way when I pray to God above? I must love what I destroy and destroy the things I love. Oh, you'll never see my shade or hear the sound of my feet, while there's a moon over Bourbon, a moon over Bourbon, while there's a moon